With the help of Sovelia Plant, you can easily draft cable trays. We have provided you with two types of trays to choose from, ladder or wire mesh. Start by selecting the type of cable tray spec you want to use. Then select the nominal size of tray. This will be represented by the width of your cable tray. Now start route your design as if it was a pipeline by pressing on Route Pipe. At first, this will look a bit odd due to how Plant 3D uses scripts for pipes, and this will therefore result in a cable tray that first will look like a pipe with inline components represented by your cable trays. Now it's also time to go over and adjust any imperfection in your design, like stretching and moving objects to be in the correct positions. The next step will now be to go over the bends that is going up or down in your model and select what component to use in this position. Use Substitute to change the component. If you're going negative Z-axis, it's a down bend, and if you're going positive Z-axis, it's an up bend. Once you have drafted your basic design, you can convert the pipes to cable trays by using the Sovelia Plant's function called Convert to Tray, and then select the pipe segments you want to convert. This will now grab the length of the pipe segment and regenerate it to become a cable tray segment. Now we need to go over our design and make sure all components are correctly rotated and flipped. Why this is happening is because we have added the insert point of the trays to be at the bottom center of tray. This will make it a lot easier to draft your design on top of your steel for an example. Here we can see an inline component that needs to be flipped to align correctly with the ladder segment. To quickly change this, just run the command flip tray and select the component. This will mirror the object to align it correctly to your ladder. There are two more functions to use, and one of them is called stretch tray. What this will do is make it possible for you to change the tray segment length after it has been converted from pipe to tray. Just remember, this is not working like stretch, and therefore it will disconnect from the adjacent component. You can easily also delete the segment and reroute a new pipe, then convert to tray again. Then we have the option on how to visualize the trays in our model. There are two options here. One is fully 3D modeled, and the next one is outlined boxed model. To change our tray to box model, simply click on Flip Detail Level and select the trays to convert one by one. You can also change the entire cable run by using the properties field called DL under the Part Geometry section to either be 0, represented by box mode, or 1, represented by full 3D model. We have also provided you with a few cable tray supports to use. This will work like any pipe support, snapping to the center point and automatically adjust the width of the support to the width of the tray. Here we can see the bracket support, floor support, trapeze hanger support, and an extra elevation for the trapeze hanger.